The world of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving. Each day brings new breakthroughs. OpenAI O1 model stands as a testament to this relentless progress. ChatGPT O1 model isn't just another AI model. It's a leap forward, a powerful engine designed for deep reasoning. O1 model tackles complex problems with a level of logic and understanding previously unseen. This is the future of AI, and it's here today. We're moving from simple artificial intelligence to something far more profound. What sets O1 model apart? It's the ability to think deeply, to dissect problems logically. Previous models often struggled with complex reasoning tasks. OpenAI O1 excels in this area. It breaks down challenges into smaller, manageable steps. Like a master detective, it analyzes each piece of information. Then, it connects the dots, building towards a complete and accurate solution. This approach allows the O1 model to solve intricate puzzles that would baffle other models. Mathematical equations, complex logic problems, even programming challenges. OpenAI O1 tackles them with remarkable accuracy. ChatGPT understands that different tasks demand different tools. That's why they've created two versions of O1. First, there's O1 Preview. This version is designed for the most demanding applications. It pushes the boundaries of AI, offering unparalleled reasoning capabilities. Then there's O1 Mini. Don't let the name fool you. This version is still incredibly powerful. It's designed for everyday tasks, providing speed and efficiency for less complex problems. Both O1 Preview and O1 Mini are available to ChatGPT Plus subscribers and enterprise users. Safety, scale, and solutions. With great power comes great responsibility. OpenAI understands this. That's why safety is paramount in O1's design. Rigorous measures are in place to prevent misuse and ensure ethical applications. OpenAI O1 boasts a wider context window than previous models. This means it can consider more information at once, leading to more accurate and nuanced responses. It's like expanding your field of vision, allowing for a more comprehensive understanding. But the true magic lies in its problem-solving prowess. Imagine asking O1 model a reasoning question like, a man looks at a portrait and says, "Brothers and sisters, I have none. But this man's father is my father's son. Who is the man in the portrait?" It doesn't just give you the answer. It walks you through the logic, step by step. Beyond code, a world of applications. While OpenAI O1 excels in coding and technical tasks, its potential extends far beyond. Healthcare, education, finance. These are just a few areas where O1's deep reasoning can revolutionize existing practices. Imagine doctors using O1 to analyze complex medical data, leading to faster and more accurate diagnoses. Picture students learning with personalized AI tutors, guiding them through challenging concepts with patience and understanding. OpenAI O1's ability to handle sophisticated questions and maintain coherence in long conversations sets it apart from previous models. It's a valuable tool for research, analysis, and decision-making across a wide range of fields. The future of reasoning. OpenAI O1 is more than just a technological marvel. It's a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. A future where machines can reason, understand, and learn alongside us. The possibilities are limitless. The future of reasoning is here, and it's brighter than we could have imagined. Log in to your ChatGPT Plus account and start exploring. Thank you for watching.